Hello, this is Hans Adams from Nishimbo Microdevices and welcome back to another product introduction video. Today we have a look to so-called PMICs. These are single-chip solutions containing various DC-DC converters and LDO regulators to provide power to application processors, SoCs and FPGAs. The power supply for these is often complex, meaning that an array of power management devices is required to provide power to all individual circuits. The easiest way to build an efficient power management system is to use a single IC that has all power control functions integrated. Now regarding the three PMICs, these are similar products sharing the same core chip but targeted for different markets. The RN5T569 is for automotive use, has a special 7x7mm QFN package with wettable flanks, improving the solderability of the chip and enabling better automatic visual inspection of the solder joint after mounting on the printed circuit board. Operating temperature range is from -40 to 105 degrees Celsius. The RN5T5610 is for industrial use. Has a standard package without wettable flanks, but is able to operate continuously in a high temperature environment. Operating temperature range is from -40 to 105 degrees Celsius. Finally, the RN5T5612 is for common use, has the same standard package and operating temperature range is from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. A brief summary of the main features and block diagram. The operating voltage range of the ICs is from 2.7 to 5.5 volt. Two DC-DC converters provide 3 amp and the two others 2 amp. All have a peak efficiency level of 95% and are operating with a 1 microhenry inductor and 22 microfarad output capacitor. 5 LDO regulators can be used for multi-purpose and provide 3 times 300 mA and 2 times 200 mA. They have a fast transient response, low output voltage noise and a high ripple rejection ratio. 2 additional LDOs are always on but configured as always off when not used. One is to power a real-time clock with a coin battery as a backup power supply and includes a reverse current protection as well. Furthermore, 4 GPIOs, an interrupt controller and an I2C bus interface running at 400 kHz or 3.4 MHz are included. As for protection, a thermal shutdown, an overcurrent protection, under-voltage lockout and a watchdog timer are present. The power on-off sequence and initial output voltage settings can be customized in the profile and stored in a built-in one-time programmable memory. Programming is done at Nishimbo's factory according to your specifications. 4 general purpose input-outputs can be defined either in normal mode or as parts mode. In normal mode, the GPIO pins have functions specified by the OTP code list. In parts mode, specific DC-DC converters and LDOs can be turned on or off by the respective GPIO pin. A power control function can reduce current consumption by controlling the on-off state of each power supply according to the SoC's operation. For example, power on, power off and sleep modes. Regarding the sleep mode, it is possible to set which power supply to turn off. The I2C interface easily controls the output voltage level and even the power off sequence. A DVS function dynamically changes the output voltages of the DC-DC converters by software. This is one of the methods of reducing power consumption during operation. Controlling the output voltages of a PMIC can reduce the power consumption of logic circuits in a device. The voltage transition is performed in small steps to maintain the output voltage stability. This function is useful when the operating modes of the device requires less power, such as a sleep mode or standby mode. Target applications are industrial controller units, a PLC, servo motor driver, a power supply for application processors, SOC and FPGA ICs, etc. To shorten the design of the power supply, a reference circuit, a bill of material with recommended components, as well as an example PCB layout to achieve the maximum circuit performance is available for your convenience. Samples and fully assembled and tested evaluation boards can be purchased from our authorized local distributors and online partners.